When you came for the interview, you saw the site, you saw the roads around, you could see green fields, you could see trees. It wasn't a concrete jungle. The air was much fresher than back home in Berkshire, and that was quite a stunning difference. Obviously there's some options of places to go, but when you think about the environment which is here, you're very close to the coast, you're just right by on the doorstep of the moors. There's just so much down here, and obviously as well, the Plymouth and the southwest, it's very well known for its sort of climate. So that's one of the big draws, and to find a good job. Again, something I've only recently been made aware of is that actually Plymouth is the largest manufacturing city south of the Midlands. I guess a lot of people obviously know about Devonport and the Navy side and working down here, perhaps more the military, but there's a lot of other companies, technical companies that are here. I mean, there's Plessey just up the road, there's Beck and Dickinson, all big multinational companies that work in this area. And Babcock, I think, is one of the big ones as well down at the docks. So there's plenty of opportunity in numerous industries to work here. I really like the two wheels, whether it's the motorbikes or the cycling, and down here it's phenomenal. You've got such a change in scenery in a few miles. It's amazing, and particularly here in Plymouth, it's quite steep, some of the roads and everything, and some of the trails and the tracks. We've got the Plymouth Bridge Woods, and then you very shortly after that you're up onto the moors, which is lovely. Fantastic vistas, and it's so accessible, really accessible. You've got an amazing amount of National Trust properties down here to go and visit and see. And we've got Saltram here in Plymouth. And if you take the train, I mean, the train journey out on the south coast is amazing. You know, you've got both the north and the south coast, which is completely different. It's lovely. If a fellow friend engineer from up there wanted to come down and ask me, I would say, well, why are you asking me? Just do it. Just move. I mean, nothing's held me back doing it, and I've enjoyed every moment of being here. It's been very good.